In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create branded client portals in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a freelancer or part of a team, having a centralized hub for all your client interactions can streamline your workflow and make you look incredibly professional. So, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to set up a branded client portal using Notion. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace for Wiki, Docs, and projects. If you're not already familiar, Notion is a versatile tool where you can manage everything from notes and documents to project planning. It's particularly great for creating a branded space that your clients can access easily. Once you're in your workspace, the next step is to log in, if you haven't already. Logging into Notion is straightforward. Simply click on the Login button. This will take you right into your personal or team's Notion home, which serves as your launch point for everything we're about to do. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Notion home. From here, you'll want to head over to the Templates section. Templates are a fantastic feature of Notion because they allow you to start with a pre-built structure, saving you both time and effort that would otherwise go into designing it from scratch. Once you're in the Templates section, it's time to do a quick search for the Client Portal template. Notion's search function is robust, so this should be a quick step. Typing in Client Portal will give you various options tailored to a client-facing setup. After finding a suitable Client Portal template, select it. By selecting it, you're setting the stage for a client hub that will house all necessary and important information you wish to share. Notion makes it easy to adapt these templates to meet your specific needs, so feel free to explore the options available until you find one that fits your brand's style. Next, click on Add to import the chosen template into your workspace. This is an automatic process that should take just a few moments. Once added, the template will be ready for your personal touch. Now comes the fun part, editing the template. This is where you can customize it to fit your brand's personality. Adjust the text, images, and any other elements to better serve your needs. Finally, add your client's brand to the portal. This could be their logo, specific colors, or any relevant information unique to them. Tailoring the portal with your client's branding not only adds a personal touch, but also makes them feel valued, enriching the overall client experience. And there you have it. You've created a branded client portal in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you now have a professional space for smoother communication and collaboration with your clients. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!